Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some rain out there this morning. We have a weak area low pressure moving through the area that will quickly move through the northeast of the region for this morning, but we'll still have cloudy conditions for the rest of the afternoon. You can't rule out a scattered sprinkle or a period of drizzle across the region for the afternoon hours, as well as some low cloudiness in the region for the rest of the day. Looking at our surface analysis, you can see this area low pressure that's weak and along a stationary boundary. It's going to be moving northeast of the region today. This stationary boundary is going to be continuing to move along our coastline for today. Should start to move off to the northeast for this afternoon and the evening, and that should provide us with a few breaks in the low-level cloud cover. However, I'm not expecting a long period of sunshine across the region. Just would be more filtered sunshine other than the low clouds in the region. Looking at our current conditions, we have a broken deck at 300 feet, overcast deck at 1,600 feet. Some rain out there this morning. I had a wind out of a southwesterly direction at 200 degrees at 13 knots, temperature 53 degrees, and relative humidity at 88%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have a lot of cloud cover out there. This is the infrared satellite imagery showing mainly the upper level cloud cover. We also have abundance of low level cloud cover out there this morning. Going to continue to see that, as I mentioned, for most of the today with possibilities some breaks in the afternoon hours. Looking at our HRRR model today, you can see we have some rain showers across the region this morning. They're going to continue to move off to the northeast, and we'll have another batch of rain showers moving north of the region. This is at 1 o'clock this afternoon. That's going to continue to move off to the northern portions and western portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, but cannot rule out a scattered sprinkle over our region with that disturbance moving northwest of the region. Then we'll have additional slight chance of rainfall during the evening hours. This is 6 o'clock. And then 7, you can see it's moving off to the northeast for that time period with just only slight chances of rainfall. So most of the rainfall should be over for today. Can't rule out a sprinkle or two with these disturbances in the region. Here's the European model taking a look at the next few days. This is for our afternoon here. This is the morning. And in the afternoon hours, you can see that rainfall just off the northwest. Can't rule out a sprinkle for the afternoon or evening hours. And then we move into the overnight hours. Should see a good surge of warm air in the region, temperatures warming into the 60s overnight. And then for our Tuesday, we're going to have a cold front approaching from the north and west, and we'll have strong southerly to southwesterly surge out in front of that cold front. That's going to allow for us to have temperatures in the upper 60s tomorrow across the region. So a very unseasonably mild day tomorrow. Not going to see a record high. It looks like the record high is at 70 degrees. I'm expecting a high around 67 degrees. But we'll have those temperatures really change quickly Wednesday overnight. We'll have additional short wave moving through the region with some post-frontal precipitation into the region, and that's going to provide areas of western mid-Atlantic region. See some snowfall. Can't even rule out areas such as Salisbury Wednesday morning seeing a brief period of some light snow before the precipitation moves out of the region. Here at Wallops, we should stay rain the whole entire time. Can't rule out a brief flurry or a few sleet pellets as the precipitation ends Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday will just be cold and clearing skies during the afternoon hours. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have that precipitation here this morning. Should be moving out of the area in the next 15 minutes or so. Can't rule out some sprinkles or drizzle throughout the remainder of the day, but those chances should stay below 15%. We'll have those cloudy skies with the low clouds in here with a red for this morning and then a yellow for the afternoon. Should see ceilings around 1,000 feet for the afternoon hours. And then for the late afternoon hours, we'll even see ceilings rise possibly up to 15,000 feet with several different decks of clouds out there. Our high today will be around 57 degrees. Temperatures rising overnight into the low 60s, 63 degrees by Tuesday, 8 local. And we'll see those southwesterly to south-southwesterly winds increase this afternoon. By the late afternoon hours, we'll see south-southwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 20. Then overnight, we'll see gusts near 24 knots with that stronger southwesterly surge in the region. With that 24 knots, we'll have a yellow for our winds. And for our next 24 hours, looking at the terminal forecast, we'll see those low clouds in here throughout the mid-afternoon hours with ceilings anywhere from 300 feet this morning to 1,000 feet for the afternoon hours. And then at 1400 local, we'll see some skies starting to clear in the low levels, but we'll still see abundance of upper level and mid-level cloudiness out there, and that'll continue through the evening hours. And then overnight, we'll see ceilings around 10,000 feet, and a chance we do have a broken deck around 2,000 feet. Then by tomorrow morning, with that southwesterly surge in the region, as well as the warm sector of the system well overhead, we should be seeing a few clouds at 3,000 feet with just a broken deck at 15,000 feet with a few cloud layers between that. So could be seeing anywhere from cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions tomorrow morning with those temperatures in the lower 60s. And then Tuesday we'll see mostly cloudy overcast skies, unseasonably mild temperatures, slightly breezy. We'll have rain showers likely in the afternoon and evening. We'll have a high of 67 degrees, a orange for our precipitation, yellow for our winds, and our yellow for our ceilings. Tuesday night, overcast rain likely, a low of 38 degrees. We'll see a red for our precipitation, a yellow for our ceilings. And for Wednesday, we'll see rain showers ending during the morning, then partly cloudy by late afternoon. We'll have a cold high of only 41 degrees on Wednesday. We'll have an orange for our precipitation in the morning hours, and a yellow for our ceilings during the mornings as well. On that Wednesday, as I mentioned, can't rule out a brief period of some light snow in Salisbury Wednesday morning before it ends, but no accumulation expected. And down here at Wallops, most likely just see a few sleet pellets if we do see anything frozen coming out of the skies on Wednesday morning. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.